first outfit, I paired my plain white shirt with this gorgeous pullover. And to give the whole outfit a little bit more shape, I used a belt. And to contrast it with the white, I used my dad's long socks. And yeah, you can pair your boots with it. So for the second outfit, I paired my animal print skirt with this blouse I found in my mom's closet. It's warm, so it does the work. And I paired it with some long brown socks to go with the theme of the whole outfit. So for the third outfit, I used the same brown blouse and the same brown socks, and I paired them with this floral printed dress I had, and the whole outfit kind of turned out really nice. The fourth one is quite different from all the outfits. It's the same blouse again, but I paired it with my leggings. You can even pair it with your white pants. I used the same socks, of course, again. And I had this jacket. It's my grandfather's, but it gave a really nice cozy vibes to the whole outfit. So yeah. So I recently bought this striped sweatshirt online, and I am in love with it. I paired it with my blue denims, and I added this overcoat to contrast it with the black stripes of the sweatshirt. Now, this is something I've been seeing a lot online lately, everywhere. Sweater vests, and it's quite in trend. So I paired this sweater vest from my dad with a white shirt and black leggings. You can use your jeans also, or pants also. And to complete the whole white monotone, I wore these socks of my dad again. So I wanted to keep the last outfit quite simple and basic. I did not wanted to add so many elements in the whole outfit. So I paired my basic denims with this plain sweatshirt I had. I created some blue monotone in the whole outfit. You can go with any kind of colors, but I think blue kind of went with the whole denims.